maintenance day, 2019, and got a good turnout. People coming from all over the place. Wish you were here, whoever you are and wherever you are. I don't care whether you're a VentureRider.org member or not. Wish you were here because this is really something. So we'll do a really quick walkthrough, just so we can like time this perfect. Right. See, this is life on the road. This is life on the road of the true buckskin. People everywhere, all that kind of stuff. Smile, you're on candid camera. People from Arizona, from Michigan, from Nebraska. These guys, I mean, from all over the place. This guy's from Florida. This is a Floridian, Florida. Look at. Things are popping up. Things are popping up all over the place. Get the hint? You get the hint? Look at this. Look at this. I swear, this guy paddled all the way in from Peter Pan Land, Neverland. There we go. He paddled all the way in from Neverland. Check it out.
Now here's where I need you.
Check it out.
Remember, we got to pull this down. You're gonna have to climb on it, grab hold. There you go.
This guy here's fixing a. This guy's here's fixing a motorcycle. He's fixing a motorcycle. She's trying to get up on a bike. Here, testing things. Testing things. Now I got to ask my wife a question. So stick with me. Hey, baby, I brought you water. Thought you might want one. So now I got to ask you. Do you have any idea where I put those? I worded that carefully. Where I put those batteries, spare batteries that I had laying on the car?
They are in that green bag. Yes.
The green bag.
The green bag.
So you see how I did that? Didn't offend my wife. Didn't blame her for anything. Nothing. Just that. What was that?
I said you did such a great job asking that question.
That's because I'm a professional at doing it. I have learned 40 years of bearings.
Happy wife, happy life.
You got that right. That's exactly right. You're the go-to person. But you notice that. So okay, this is maintenance day 2019. This is actually the second day. We were here late last night. But I just thought to get the camera out. So guess who called while I was out there looking for batteries? Neil. Said hi to everyone. That would be Venture Fire. Says hi to everybody. So I gotta do that. So okay. All right, so I'll go grab my thing. I got some ideas here. All right, hey, if you can't get out and shoot, get out and ride.